All right, so we're going to go through this piece. It deals with different octaves and a little bit of ledger lines as we get into some of the higher octaves, as you can see here. And we've got some lower ledger lines down here below the bass clef. So let's start at the very beginning of the piece. Our first note is C4, which is middle C. We have two different C4s. They're the same note on the piano, but this one you're going to play with your right hand because it's in the treble clef, and this one you're going to play with your left hand, and it's in the bass clef. So here's C4, or middle C. It should be right underneath the Yamaha symbol on your piano, and we'll play it with the right hand and hold, and then with the left hand and hold. Then we go back to the right hand because we are in treble clef, and we're going to move up from C, playing C, D, E, hold. Great. Then we know this measure, C4 with your right hand, C4 with your left hand, and then still using your left hand, we're going to play C, B, A, hold, and then go back to C with your right hand, C with your left hand. So the first 5 measures of the piece sound and look like this. C with your right hand, C with your left hand, C, D, E. C with your right hand, C with your left hand, C, B, A. C with your right hand, C with your left hand. Nice. Then we have a big jump. We go from middle C up further into the treble clef to C5. So here's middle C. C5 is going to be right here above middle C. So you're going to have to make this jump with your right hand and put your thumb on that C5. So moving on from this measure right here, C5, C5, C, D, E. And then we jump all the way up another octave to C6. Remember we said 2 ledger lines above the treble clef is a C. So here's C6, C4, C5, C6. So starting right here at measure 8, we have C6, C6, and then we go back down, C, B, A. So let's see if we can get that far, starting back here from C4. Ready, and C with your right hand, C with your left hand, jump up, C, 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 D, E, and then up again, C, 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 B, A, and we know this measure. Middle C with your right hand, middle C with your left hand. Great. So be very careful that the things in the treble clef you're playing with the right hand, and when you get to the bass clef, you're playing those notes with the left hand. Let's keep going. We're almost finished. So we've just played C with the right hand, C with the left hand. Now we're going to go further down into the bass clef. So here was C4. Now we get to C3 down here. C3 with your left hand, C3, C, B, A, and we go all the way down to C2. Good, and then the very last measure is in your right hand. It's got 2 notes that are stacked on top of each other. And because they're stacked directly on top of each other, we're going to play those 2 notes at the same time. So this is middle C and E with your right hand played together. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here's the whole song from beginning to end. Ready, and C with your right hand,